Once you have a good grasp of all the things that can go right and all the things that can go wrong, then decide where you want to go. And it takes time. I get it. And when there's money involved, no one wants to give it time and money. I totally understand. I'm human too. I don't want to be, giving something money and time that I just don't feel like is paying you right now. But the people who get paid today and in 6 months, they know how to do that. We can talk about the prop firms being, what is it? Top Step is $20. I don't know if it's today or yesterday that had the last day for that. Yes, it costs money. Yes, the upgraded data feed is like $40. I get it. But if you're not going to honor their system and give it the due diligence for several weeks and months, but you're expecting it to pay you for longer than that, I think that's the you issue that we need to address. And I'm saying that with the most amount of love, no different than I'm addressing the me issue of not trying to answer all the things that I don't have a place answering. I'm asking you to address the part of you that needs to be addressed, which is please plan on giving these systems weeks and months to dissect, figure out, and stick with, because that's how long it's going to take. It's not going to be instant. It's going to be hard.